Hi everybody, we are back here at the Boardwalk. We are staying club level this trip, and I just had to show you this gorgeous room. So I kind of splurged for my family and we got a 2-bedroom suite. So when you first walk in, there's a half bath in here, which is great so that we're not fighting over bathroom space. And then when you come in, we've got kind of like a little, I wouldn't call it a full kitchen, but like a mini kitchen. We have an espresso maker. There's a fridge down in here. We have a microwave. We have a beautiful sink. Trash cans are under here. And then they give you kind of the layout of all the different espressos so you know what you're doing when you make it, which is always super helpful. And then we come in here and we have this beautiful, beautiful space with a table for us to sit at. We've got couches. We've got a coffee table. They've got the TV set up over here. And then because it's Christmas, I did not request this. This gorgeous Christmas tree was just in here, and I have to show you, it has just like the prettiest ornaments on there. So it definitely just adds to the whole flair and to the fun. So we have a balcony out here, which I've made my family stay out in for a minute. They've even provided us umbrellas, should we need umbrellas. And then when we come in over here, this is the master bedroom. So seating chair, big king bed, these gorgeous lamps, the connecting balcony to out there. And then we've got a huge dresser, just a ton of storage space. All of these things have got like drawers and shelves and all sorts of stuff for us. I am fully obsessed with this print of Minnie Mouse, just looking ever so dapper. And then we've got our closet in here. So this is the closet for the master bedroom. So we've got robes and slippers, which are totally normal for the club level. Your safe is in here, extra pillow and blanket if you need it, steamer, hair dryer, all that good stuff. And then we've got an extra vanity area over here, which is gonna be perfect in the morning for when I'm doing my makeup. It's got its own little cool Art Deco chair. And then we've got the bathroom. Check out this absolutely gorgeous bathroom. Standing shower, big soaking tub with a famous Disney body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. My girls were already obsessed with this one. We've got a double sink, so plenty of space for me and my husband. And then in here is where you've got the toilet for this side of the room. So it definitely has like a beautiful full-length mirror. We've got the makeup mirror, which I will be using as well, although I don't know, I've got the vanity now. So we've got all this beautiful space in here. I love all these details. I am obsessed with the way that this looks. And then we're gonna come back out here. Again, this is this beautiful living area we have with this gorgeous picture of Minnie and Mickey at the Boardwalk. Oh, I might never leave. And then we come in here, and this side has got 2 queen beds, so plenty of space. And this one actually has its own separate balcony. So this couch, this is not a pull-out couch, just a standard couch. We've got all of our storage space in here. We've already stopped at the Innkeepers Club to get our bottles of water to go. And then the balcony is out over here. So the balcony looks out over the quiet pool. We've got a view of the Skyliner. This balcony does not connect to the other one, but still just as gorgeous in here. Plenty of space, plenty of underbed storage for the girls, plenty of outlets for all of their devices. And then they were already telling me, Mom, we have double closets, which of course I was super excited for them. They are excited. So again, all the same amenities in this closet. There should be more robes on this side. If we look, yep, they've already spied the robes and the slippers. We actually have a second door because it is a bigger suite. And then again, 2 double sinks over here, great big mirror, hello. And then the standard bathroom, which you get in your deluxe level rooms here at the Boardwalk. So tub, shower combination with a toilet right in here. So again, I am just so excited to spend Christmas here with the family. I am excited to have enough space for us to breathe. This is something I really wanted to surprise them with, and I just had to share it with you.